What's happening, sports fan? Welcome back to another episode of Mom and Papa Joe. A very simple cook today. Mom and I are doing a brunch of some skirt steak on the grill along with a small caprese salad. Straight to the point. Let's get it. All right, folks, this is such a short cook that you have to have all your ingredients ready to go. So we're going to knock this caprese salad out before we even get the steak on the grill. Got a couple of Roma tomatoes, some fresh, all these are already rinsed, some fresh basil, and some mozzarella. All I got to do is just slice these up. Let's see. I'm going to try this. I like that. First time trying that, but it worked. All right, let's get to the steak. Here's this skirt steak. Small piece, weighs about 1.5 pounds, but man, it's beautifully marbled. I'm gonna get it out of the package, rinsed and dried. Like I said, man, look at that marbling. This is outside skirt, which is the more tender when compared to the inside skirt. Let's see, maybe I'll do 3 pieces. Yeah. This piece is pretty thick, healthy. This is a little thinner. Doesn't take much trimming. Areas of heavy fat as usual. Anything a little grayish. This looks like some silver skin. I don't want to remove all of this fat. We'll call that good. Our seasoning is going to be very simple. I'm going to be rocking Uncle Chris Gourmet Steak Seasoning along with some additional 16 mesh cracked black pepper. A little cracked pepper. Uncle Chris has plenty of salt, folks. So you just want to be a little careful. A lot of this is going to come off on the grill. Oh, look at all those herbs in that Uncle Chris. All right, we're going to do a little cleanup and head outside and get our Weber cranked up. We are tracking and ready to rock. We're going to do our best to preserve some nice pink in these thicker pieces. But this thin piece right here that I'm working on, I know there's no saving any pink. So I'm probably looking at about 2.5 or so per side. All right, we got some little flaming, hot, lots of fats in here. When we're done with this fire, Mama's got some chicken breast she's gonna throw on here. This thin piece I'm taking off of here, folks. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna give these thicker pieces another 10 or so seconds. Ooh, fire's hot. All right, we're gonna call this good. We're off of here. Give this a couple of 5 minutes to rest and we'll get to slicing. All right, folks, we've given this a few minutes to rest, man. Oh, I love the way that is cooked. Absolutely perfect. Our grain is running in this direction. Let's try to cut against the bias. All right, let's put this plate together. I'm finally getting to use my Tom Garvey's olive oil bottle.
Show the front of it.
And a nice balsamic glaze. Followed by a light dusting of a little garlic herb. You could do black pepper and salt you wanted. Wow. Folks, I'm here to tell you, this is so tasty. Seasoned so well, man. Mom and I are getting ready to sit down, but take a look at that. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. So tender, man. So well seasoned with that Uncle Chris skirt steak. If you're going to do it, see if you can't find outside skirt. Spend a little more dollars. Absolutely worth it. I want to thank you guys and gals as usual for hanging out with us. We really appreciate it. Be on the lookout for another video coming very soon. And as always, Mom and I want you guys to take care of yourselves, love each other, and we'll see you when we see you. Holla.